How do we ensure product quality? What's the most important for QC? Hello, this is Eva. Many customers want to see how the factory handled the order. Today, follow me, I will show you. It all starts with the carefully chosen material. The quality material are the key to build last and deliver to great performance. Do you know what is the key component of the wireless charger? You're right, it's the coin. The product casing is all about the protection. It's all about the design. You can see the appearance is very stylish and solid. This is the aluminum alloy material, which is high level and is a good fit right into your lifestyle. The final assembly is where all the parts come together. Every step is carefully done to make sure the wireless charger is solid and reliable. We all believe test is key to quality. Our wireless charger is super efficient and is work steadily in different environments, compatible with a wide range of wireless charger devices. Now let's have the factory quality manager to show how we test the product and what's the tip to ensure the quality.
QC 我们分成3个部分 ：IQC、QC 以及 OQC。IQC 是我们确保来料是每一个部件是根据它的要求达到它的合格率。QC 呢是我们整个巡检过程当中确保每一个工位的直通率 OK。OQC 是我们的成品的功能15瓦、5瓦、2.5瓦功能是 OK， 以及这个外观没有脏污。硅胶的缝隙是符合我们的要求 0.1， 然后它的这个阻尼拉力是符合我们的要求 OK， 以及最终的包装重量，比如说我们这个电子秤，我们就会称它的重量，包装的完整性。
And finally, we'll add the packaging stage. The stylish packaging shows how much we care about the little things. Plus, with all the accessories included, we will got you covered. Our products are stored here and shipped all over the world. Our fast wireless charging make life easier by offering a fast, safe, and convenient charging experience. If you're interested in our product and OEM service, just leave a comment and we'd love to help.